In the conventional approach, what are the interventions? What do? They give you hormones, right? Progesterone and all. They will give you medicines. For example, metformin here is supposed to help the body kind of do the work that insulin was supposed to do, right? It is supposed to help the body. The cells actually absorb sugar from the bloodstream better, which Dr. Ruhi was explaining very nicely. Does not happen when you have insulin resistance. But nothing is being done to bring down the insulin resistance, right? The next one, difficult to pronounce name, right? This is essentially a medicine which is basically a hormone which blocks the sites on your cells where the testosterone, the male hormones come and sit. The receptors get blocked by this. Once again, nothing is being done to address the cause why testosterone is high in a female body. It should be high in a male body, right? They tell you, oh, you must lose weight, calorie cutting, okay, eat less. Believe me, nobody on this planet has managed to lose weight successfully by doing that, because it does not work like that. Your body, when you reduce the calorie consumption, your body also reduces its metabolic rate, what is known as BMR. So you don't lose weight, but you feel miserable because you don't have energy now, right? You don't feel energetic. And you're told to lose weight. How to lose weight? Nobody tells you. How to lose weight in a healthy manner. So what are the outcomes? Essentially, by taking all these medicines, you are only managing the symptoms, right? High testosterone is a symptom. It is not the cause. Imbalanced diet, imbalanced emotions, no exercise, those are the root causes. Toxins, right? They are not being addressed. They will ask you to, drill the ovary and remove the cyst. But why is the cyst coming? Who will handle that? Who will address that, right? So you end up with a set of outcomes where you are somehow struggling to manage your symptoms. You are not getting rid of them. And every year, the symptoms are becoming worse because the root cause is still growing inside the body. Your quality of life is poor, you are tired, you are exhausted, you are irritable, you have no energy to do things that you love. You can't even be with people in your family, right? In a nice atmosphere. Small things will irritate you. So quality of life is very poor. And all of these medicines, do you think they're without side effects? Definitely not, right? I'm sure all of you understand. Allopathic medicines means side effects will be there. You have to deal with those also. Some medicines are damaging your liver, some are damaging your kidney, some are damaging your intestines. It has been proven that women who are given these hormonal pills for a few years, their intestines get damaged, and therefore the likelihood of them developing autoimmune diseases like Crohn's disease, etc., is 3 to 4 times higher than other women who have not taken these medicines. So essentially what we are doing, we are inviting more diseases in our life. And you have to go on spending a lot of money, but get no results out of this.